Baby, I'm crawling for you, and I'm stuck in the loop. Baby, I'm crawling for you, and I'm stuck in the loop. Baby, I'm crawling for you. Don't be calling the royalty. Baby, I'm crawling for you. I know. Baby, I'm crawling for you. Don't be calling the royalty. Baby, I'm crawling for you. We were playing with fire. We're just getting started, baby. Everything turned to dust. I can't control myself, lady.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out. If your enemies, a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he throws me. He gets caught through a big pissed off grin. And if you cross him, you might drop too.
You can stand. Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protected. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
You can say that I'm nothing, but you don't love me, no you don't love me. I'll be rising above it. Can you down on me, can you down? You stole the thing that's from mine. Talk is cheap, so why don't we just take a stand?
Hi, Dad.
The next morning.